Asa na po ko? Asa na po ko? Coffee by the way. By the way, ako ni-discover mo sa'yo na pagpadapli namin kay maligsan niya. Ano na schedule guys? Tuesday, Sunday, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Tapos Saturday and Sunday, 3 p.m. Okay. Now you know. Welcome.
So, pagsulod pa lang ni mo dire daw, ma-feel good ni mo nga naara kasi imong kaugalingong lataran kay very cozy unya. Syempre, kung nature lover ka, ma-appreciate good ni mo diring dapita. Naapod sila swimming pool, but for now, marag naka-restricted siya for family use only. But maybe in the future, i-open na nila po sa public. So, very aesthetic yun kaayo ang dating diring dapita, guys. So, money, kung gusto ka na picture-picture with your friends or family, this is the place you must visit, guys. So, as we check their menu, affordable rapod kayo ilang foods diri guys. So, syempre, this is coffee shop, daghang options for coffee. And then, naapod sila yung mga for snacks like pasta or if you want pizza.
Kaon ka? Kaon ang pansit? Wow!
So nag-enjoy jud mi dire guys no. If you wanna visit here, they are located at Purok 2, Tacunan, Davao City. So just search on your Google Maps for the direction. Bye.